I wear glasses. Many do. Almost all of my friends have bad eyesight. But recently, one of them, Kai, he betrayed us.
He got an eye surgery, and laser eye surgery.
And now this curse, this badge of honor, has been lifted.
And the worst part is, he can see way better than before. Like a hawk, or like a T-Rex, or I don't know, hawk, T-Rex, hybrid shit. Fuck! Did that T-Rex have great eyesight?
Anyway, that's not the point. Recently, Kai annoyed me during our sacred Elden Ring seamless co-op session. If you have some friends to play Elden Ring and are good at it, or not, it's fun anyways, just try it out. I can't even really remember what he did. Like, steal a kill, or did he somehow kill me intentionally? I can't remember. Maybe he even breathed just too loud into his mic. Well, naturally I warned him to stop, and well, obviously he did not. So, I'm gonna build a robot to reverse his eye surgery. Okay, so here's the plan.
It's stationary, battery powered, can rotate 360 degrees and has a maximum range of about 3 meters. Because I don't need it to take over the world, just my friend's eyeballs.
How the fuck do we do that? How do we do that? This needs to be battery powered. Also, stationary. I need something simple, elegant, and something that shoots laser into his stupid perfect eyes.
But first we need some parts. Capacitors, potentiometers, resistors, buttons, relays, and my last 2 brain cells. This obviously wasn't made in a day. In fact, this entire project took me years. Why? Because I'm dumb and lazy. Like top tier lazy. The code almost took me 3 months to fix. Wanna know why? Wanna know what broke the whole thing? A Kommastelle! Yes, a single goddamn comma. That little pixel of death. Ich saß da wie, warum geht's nicht? Und der Arduino so, nein. There was no ChatGPT, there was no help, I was alone on my own, no YouTube videos to tell me how to write the code that I can, well, just bury. No, nothing. I had to do it myself. Don't mind me looking like a 12-year-old. I know, I look like I just finished my homework and asked my mom if I can have screen time. That right there was the moment I learned about a slip ring. It's an electromechanical device that transfers power or signals between a stationary part and a rotating part. If I only had known that earlier. I tried transferring power with steel balls and aluminum foil and it failed miserably. Next up in the build process, the eyes. And here comes the Husky lens. It's like a little camera module, but it's also smart enough to recognize faces. Think of it like Skynet, if Skynet only cared about one person. Or in this case, the last person you have photographed, because this is what the Husky lens does. You simply take a photo of someone and it will try to follow this person's face. For such a cheap module, it's actually pretty reliant. It will only follow the target's face and ignore every other. Don't tell that Kai though. I also have implemented the genocide mode or rampage mode. By simply pulling out this wire right here, that robot now shoots everyone it sees. Working with cheap Chinese electronics is always a hassle. Some child soldered that thing together and there's no documentation online to help. Combine that with the fact that I don't even know how to write a simple Arduino code. I had no idea how to make gears in Blender, so I just took what I found online and well, it works, kinda.
Why is the second laser not working?
I had some of these steel balls lying around, so I made my own ball bearing to allow the robot to spin 360 degrees. But the husky lens alone won't be enough to make this little machine of retribution work. Of course, it will need a little brain to make the motor spin. So obviously my first choice was the Arduino Uno. But don't get too excited, it's like a brain of a hamster that had one too many Red Bulls. It tells the 4 stepper motors when to turn right or left, and these 2 cheap 9-gram servo motors when to look up or down.
What is my purpose?
You blind people.
Oh my god.
Now the last step would be the power source. Using a spot welder and these lithium-ion cells, I made my own battery pack. Overcurrent protection, short circuit protection, low voltage protection, all that good stuff. All of that is not important. The robot is done. Now do your thing. Burn it, little piece of shit, eyes out. Yeah, do it. Die on. Die. Die. Take this. You piece of shit. Go die in hell. So, what have we learned today? Maybe I should forgive my friends, maybe I should stop spending months on petty revenge projects, or maybe, just maybe, I've created something beautiful. A machine that says, don't mess with me while playing Elden Ring. Anyway, subscribe for more questionable life choices and morally ambitious robotic projects. Bye!